Multiples. So multiples are found by multiplying our base number by other numbers. So let's go over this. So example 1, a local business is doing inventory in their storage room. Instead of counting each item individually, they know they have 12 candles in each box. If they have 5 boxes, use multiples to find how many candles they have. Right, so essentially, if you have the first box, right, so box 1 times 12, well, that would be equal to 12. Now, the second box, right, so now we're including both boxes. We're going to go times 12 is equal to 24. Now, 3 times 12, well, that would be 36, right? So we're just going up. And this would equal to 48. And then 5 times 12 is equal to 60, right? So each box has 12, and we know we have 5 boxes. So we have 60 candles together in all 5 boxes. So we would say the multiples are, right? Another way is to just write it like this. Right, and so this is box 1, box 2, box 3. If you include all of them, we have 4 boxes, and we have 5 boxes, that'd be 60. So another way you can also notice, right, is we're just adding 12 to each one, right? To go from 12 to 24, that's just plus 12. 24 to 36 is plus 12. 36 to 48 is plus 12, right? It just continues on. So we can kind of, see how, once again, multiplication is just repeated addition. So this is just using the multiplication as like a way to do it, but you can also do it this way too, by just adding 12 each time, starting with 12. Example 2, a local hardware store is doing inventory. They have outdoor fire pits stored in boxes on pallets for the upcoming season. There are 8 outdoor fire pits on each pallet, and there's 4 pallets. So we're going to use multiples to determine how many fire pits they have. So we have 4 pallets, right? So each pallet, so the first pallet, right, times 8, right, we can show this as also multiplication, is equal to 8, right? The second pallet, right, including the first 2, right? So we're going to go 2, then times 8, that'd be 16. So we're just multiplying. We're keeping 8, right? But notice that we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 3 times 8. Well, that would be 24. 4 times 8 would equal 32. So how many fire pits is there total? Well, there's 32 because we have 4 pallets, right? So we're increasing the number, right, to go from pallets. The number that doesn't change is how many fire pits are in each pallet. So that's where we multiply our base number, this 8, times a different number. So we start with 1 and we just increase by 1 each time. Another way to look at multiples, right? We can start at 8 and just go plus 8, 16, plus 8 from 16 is 24. 24 plus 8, that's 32, right? So that's another way to kind of think about it. But this is how we use multiples.